Welcome to ANS Solver question 14. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Okay, so the easiest way I always find to solve simultaneous equations is by eliminating one variable first. You can even use a substitution method, but that depends on question to question. In this case, eliminating a variable will be easier. So how we can do that is we need to get one variable's coefficient the same in both the equations. So we can do that by multiplying the first equation by 3. Now you can multiply both equations by any number. You can even multiply one equation or like only one equation to match the first equation's coefficient. It all depends on what method you use. So we can multiply the second equation by 8. So when we do that, 5 multiplied by 3 would be 15x plus 8 multiplied by 3 would be 24y equals 4 multiplied by 3 would be 12. And in the second equation, half multiplied by 8 would be 4x plus 3 multiplied by 8 would be 24y equals 7 multiplied by 8 will be 56. Now as you see over here, I've got the coefficient of y to be the same, that is in this case as 24. So now what you need to do is you need to subtract the second equation, that is this, from the first equation, that is this. So let's go ahead and do that. What you do is basically you subtract the coefficients. So 15 minus 4 will be 11 and the variable comes as it is, so 11x. 24y minus 24y, so 24 minus 24 will give you 0, so that would be 0y equals 12 minus 56, so that will give you minus 44. Now since it's 0y, we can rewrite this equation as 11x equals minus 44, and therefore we can move the 11 to the other side of the equation, making it division, because when you move multiplication to the other side of the equation, it becomes division. So it would be x equals minus 44 divided by 11, which is equal to 4. So this would be your x answer for this question. Now let's move on to finding y. It's really easy to find y from this step. All you need to do is pick an equation and substitute x as minus 4. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's pick the first equation in this case. You can even pick the second equation, that is this. So but I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. So let's go ahead and do that. So 5 multiplied by minus 4 plus 8y equals 4. So 5 multiplied by minus 4 will give you minus 20 plus 8y equals 4. Now, when you move a negative to the other side of the equation, it becomes positive. So 8y is equal to 4 plus 20. So therefore 8y is equal to 24. Now, we can move the 8 to the other side of the equation. So when multiplication goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes division. Therefore, we can write y is equal to 24 divided by 8, and this can be simplified as 3 because 8 3s are 24. Therefore your final answer being y is equal to 3. Therefore the final answer for question 14 is that y is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 4. So these two values are your final answers for question 14.